If you have a roofer knocking on your door and offering a roof replacement covered by your insurance company, this video is for you. Now, I've been a roofer since I was a kid, and now as an owner here at Joyland Roofing, I've seen things in our industry that I just don't like about how roofers handle insurance claims for their customers. So here's my take on what a homeowner should know before opening a claim for hail or wind damage on their roof. Here are 3 things that have become too regular in our industry. 1, submitting claims that exaggerate or misrepresent the damage. 2, manufacturing or worsening damage. Again, I'm not saying every roofer does this, but insurance fraud investigators see these patterns. Lifted shingles, tool-created damage, even roofers like creating hail damage so they can win a claim. And 3, aggressive supplements. Now, supplements are legitimate when real items are missed, but some companies treat them like a profit machine, stacking line items to squeeze every last dollar, whether it's warranted or not, for the replacement. Most times, the companies that are known in the industry as storm chasers—
Are you kidding me right now?
No, not those. They have a few common sales tactics that homeowners should be aware of. 1, they have pretty aggressive door knocking techniques. They'll come and knock your door offering a free roof inspection because, hey, a storm passed through your area and you might qualify for a free roof on your insurance. This might be true, but if you haven't noticed any hail damage outside around your house already, chances are slim that there's any significant or even any damage on your roof. Now, if they do find or sometimes make up damage, there's usually a pretty arm-twisting, hard sales presentation for you to sit through. And if your claim is successful, these storm chasers will typically handle the claim for you, which is kind of nice, but they'll take 100% of the money from the insurance, even if that money is way more than what it actually costs them to replace your roof. So how does this affect homeowners? Here's the part that nobody really wants to talk about. When fraudulent or inflated claims stack up nationwide, insurance carriers have to respond, and they don't usually punish the roofing companies, they're just a contractor. They punish you as the homeowner. So that comes through higher premiums, more exclusions and loopholes in your policy, higher deductibles or deductibles rewritten, roof coverage restrictions, or even 15-year roof age limits in some policies, cosmetic damage exclusions, ACV-only policies replacing full replacement value. That's why new policies are now sometimes excluding hail damage on roofs, and that's why some carriers won't even insure a roof past a certain age of 15 to 18 years. Part 3, what legitimate claims actually look like. So let's flip this. When a claim is legitimate and handled ethically, it's pretty straightforward. A legitimate claim has 3 things. There's verifiable storm damage from a documented event, not just wear and tear, not just old shingles. There's clear photo evidence before, during, and after, taken without manipulating the roof. And 3, there's a scope of work that actually matches the damage that has been done. No mystery line items, no padded extras, no disappearing deductible kind of stuff. Now, the tough thing is that insurance carriers know that not all hail claims are legitimate, but it's hard to prove that on an individual basis, especially when the evidence they've been given by the contractor seems to be legitimate. Okay, here's what I'd tell my mom if a roofer knocked on her door tomorrow. 1, get an inspection from a home inspector or a truly local roofer you trust who did not come and knock your door or cold call you. 2, never sign anything that assigns your claim rights away. Most ask you to sign what's called a contingency agreement, basically stating that you will contract with them if they find evidence for a legitimate claim. So I would advise not to sign that. 3, beware of high-pressure storm chaser sales tactics. If they need you to sign today, it's a red flag. 4, understand your policy, especially exclusions. If your policy has cosmetic exclusions or it's an ACV only, or there's roof age restrictions, or maybe there's an exemption for hail damage, make sure you understand your policy and what's covered and what's not covered. Where do I stand on this? So I'm making this video for one reason. Homeowners deserve to know the truth. Good roofing companies exist, and ethical contractors exist, but the storm chasing, claim gaming kind of side of the industry has damaged homeowner trust, and insurance companies have responded in ways that cost you as the homeowner extra money. Now, my job is simple. I want to document real damage where it's actually happened, tell you when not to file a claim, protect you from getting caught in the insurance crossfire, and handle your claim the way it's supposed to be handled. Protect your home, protect your policy, and don't get caught in the roofing insurance claim games that are costing homeowners many millions of dollars.